First and foremost, it saves a lot of time. Traditional diagnostics can take hours, even days, as mechanics manually check each part of the car. With AI, the process is almost instantaneous, providing real-time updates on the car's health. Moreover, AI drastically reduces the chances of human error. It doesn't get tired or overlook things. It's consistently accurate, making sure nothing slips through the cracks. And let's not forget about maintenance. By predicting potential issues, AI allows you to be proactive with your car's upkeep. You can schedule regular maintenance based on the car's actual needs rather than just following a generic schedule. This can extend the life of your car and even improve its performance. In essence, AI acts as your car's personal doctor, keeping a close watch on its health and predicting any potential issues before they become serious problems. So next time you hear about AI in car diagnostics, think of it as a high-tech health check for your car, always on duty to keep your wheels turning smoothly. So to summarize the power of AI in car diagnostics, we've delved into the nuts and bolts of how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing car diagnostics, drawing parallels between the roles of doctors and mechanics. We've seen how AI, just like a seasoned doctor, can accurately diagnose car issues, learning and improving with each case it encounters. This not only leads to more efficient and accurate diagnostics, but also helps in proactive maintenance, potentially saving car owners from costly repairs down the line. We've also highlighted how AI facilitates a comprehensive understanding of a vehicle's health, making it easier for mechanics to pinpoint and resolve issues. In essence, AI is transforming the way we approach car maintenance, making it smarter, more efficient, and ultimately more reliable. Just as doctors are indispensable to our health, AI is becoming indispensable to maintaining the health of our cars. So the next time your car shows symptoms, remember AI is there to diagnose it just like a doctor.